Recently, I heard that one radio amateur from my state has been selected for the next Antarctic expedition from Viewland, the first ham from this part of the country in recent times, to the best of my knowledge. VU2CUW is an Indian radio amateur currently there at Antarctica and will be returning by March 2024. Unfortunately, I was told that his HF antenna was damaged beyond repair in a storm some time back. A search on callsigns.com returned 18 call signs for the search word Antarctica, 4 CEs, 1 FT and 13 LUs. So there is no general prefix for Antarctica. Wikipedia article on call signs in Antarctica mentions that International Telecommunication Union does not assign call letter blocks to Antarctica as there is no single government there which can send delegates to ITU for conferences. Some countries reserve prefixes for Antarctica from within their own call letter blocks. Sometimes the assignments of call letter is made locally at an Antarctic base and the relevant national body is notified. You may be aware that Antarctica is international as per the Antarctic Treaty, which came into effect in 1961. All land and ice shelves south of 60 degrees south latitude is defined as Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent without a native human population. I remember some of my local ham friends mentioning that they had worked an Indian ham at Antarctica long back, but I forgot the call signs. As per Vikian Prasar webpage, VU2IF was the first ham from India who was sent to Antarctica by the Government of India during its 1983-84 expedition. As per a report available online from VU2IF, operations from the ship was the call sign VU2IF/MM3. Later, the call sign was AT0A while operating from the base camp on the ice shelf. RF power of 100 watts was used for SSB contacts with inverted V dipole and cubical quad antennas. Detailed report is available on the linked webpage, which is interesting to read. There is a third Indian Antarctic mission. Current mission in which VU2CUW is participating is the 42nd one. VU3BP has listed a lot of information on his past operations from Antarctica at his qrset.com page, which is quite interesting to read. It seems he had more than one trip to Antarctica, though the page has not been updated after the last proposed trip in 2016. He had installed multi-band inverted V antennas at Bharati station. He was using 80 watts output power and had call sign VU3BP/P during the trip in 2012.